Have you ever wondered what really makes people happy? Just in the moment, but in a lasting, meaningful way? Hi, friends. It's Vamari with Be Productive Coaching. Today, I've been diving into the 2025 World Happiness Report that just came out. And the findings are both surprising and affirming. It actually turns out that connection, kindness, and shared moments like as simple as eating a meal with a friend, have a huge impact on our overall well being. One thing that stood out to me is that most people underestimate how kind others are. And we assume that we're alone most often than we really are. Now, imagine how that shift in perception could impact not only your happiness, but your work, your relationships, and your health. It's also made me think deeply about how we can create space for happiness in our lives and in the lives of others. Now, I'm exploring the idea of hosting a workshop or a conversation space around this theme: happiness, connection, and intentional living. If that's something that you'd be curious about, let me know in the comments or just send me a quick message. I love to hear from you. And if you've seen kindness lately or found joy in something small, share it. Sharing is how we can build together. I look forward to hearing from you.